Guys, what if you could launch a full online business with a ready-made store, products already inside, and ads running automatically, without touching code or figuring out complicated setups? Because let's be real, most people don't fail at online business because of ideas. They fail because of everything around it: building the store, finding products, setting up payments, learning ads, and then trying to connect all of that together. I am Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to go from zero to a working online store step by step, using AI to handle most of the heavy lifting. This is Sellvia, a platform that basically removes all the technical barriers and gives you a ready-to-run business from day one. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get into it. Alright folks, before we jump into the dashboard, we need to quickly understand what we're actually selling here, because this is where the whole model becomes interesting. Instead of physical products, we are working with digital ones, things like guides, courses, checklists, and tools that customers receive instantly after purchase. That means no warehouse, no shipping, no waiting for delivery, and no returns. And because of that, margins can go as high as 50 to 70% since you're not dealing with logistics or production costs. The important part here is that you don't create these products yourself. Sellvia already provides them. Now friends, let's jump into the platform itself. The first thing you'll notice is that your store is already built. You're not starting from a blank page, you're not choosing templates, and you're not configuring layouts. The design is done, product pages are written, payment systems are connected, and everything is ready to go from the moment you log in. If we open the storefront, you can see that it already looks like a real professional online shop. Products are displayed properly, descriptions are there, and the checkout process is fully functional. You can literally go through the entire purchase flow without setting anything up manually. Now folks, let's take a look at the dashboard. On the left side, you've got your control panel, product catalog, customer base, and all the core tools you need to manage the business. Everything is visible and easy to navigate, so you're not digging through complicated menus or settings. There's also a stats section where you can see traffic, sales, and profit in real time. And what I like here, mates, is the next steps guidance. The platform actually tells you what to do next, whether it's adjusting your store or launching promotion. Now the key question is this: how do we get people into the store? Because normally this is the hardest part. Ads are where most beginners get stuck. You need to learn platforms, set up pixels, define targeting, test creatives, and optimize campaigns. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! But this is exactly where Sellvia changes the game. Let's go into the ads section, and right away you'll notice something different. There are no complicated dashboards like Google Ads or Meta Business Manager. You don't see audiences, pixels, or advanced targeting settings. Everything is simplified into one main action. You choose your daily budget. That's it, folks. I recommend starting with around $10 per day, because it's enough for the system to start learning and bringing in initial traffic without risking too much. If you want to scale later, you can always increase it. Now, here's an important detail. During the free trial, you actually get a $40 ad coupon. That means your first days of advertising are basically covered, which is perfect for testing the system without spending your own money right away. So friends, we set the budget, and now we press Activate. From this point, the system takes over. It finds the right audience, creates ad creatives, launches campaigns, and optimizes spending automatically. You're not managing anything manually, and you don't need prior experience with advertising platforms. And if you look at the indicators here, you can already see early results starting to come in. According to the platform, most users get their first orders on the same day they activate ads, which is exactly what you want when you're testing a new business. And this is where everything comes together, mates. You've got a store that's already built, products already inside, and traffic being generated automatically. Instead of spending weeks learning tools and connecting systems, you're focusing on the actual business, testing, adjusting, and scaling. Now, one more thing that's worth mentioning is the cost comparison. Folks, if you try to build this setup yourself, you'd need a store builder, product sourcing, and ad management, which can easily go anywhere from $300 to $700 per month, depending on the tools you use. Here, everything is included in one platform for a flat subscription, which makes the whole setup significantly more accessible, especially if you're just getting started. So guys, what Sellvia really does is remove all the friction from starting an online business. You're not dealing with products, logistics, or technical setups. You're working with a system that's already built and ready to run, which allows you to focus on results instead of infrastructure. If you're not ready to invest even a small daily ad budget, this won't work because the system needs traffic to generate results. And if you're looking to build a traditional physical e-commerce business with your own products and warehouse, this is a completely different model. Overall, mates, the biggest advantage here is simplicity. Instead of learning 5 different tools and trying to connect them, you get everything in one place: store, products, and advertising, all working together from day one. If you're excited to try it out, or if you have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.